Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am going to be doing several YouTube videos until Monday. After Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and maybe Thursday, I won't be doing videos due to me I'm gonna be having a tooth pull, so I'm trying to pop out some videos for y'all. But today, I know y'all see my hair, so I will explain that in the next video. But I wanted to come and show y'all this item that I've been working on. I've been working on some DIYs for my house for fall. This is just me. I do not like to actually, you're gonna get why. I do not like just buying, decor. And I used to buy them all the time when I was when I was younger. And then I just thought, never mind, I'm not going to do it. I do got some stuff in my storage house. I probably could revamp. I might go and see. So I have did a couple revamps, and then it's turning out pretty well. Now, I want to start with the items you will need. So first what you will need is the Andal's Original Clear Gel Sticky Glue. And it says, promise to all adhesives, dye crystal clear. And this is supposed to be, let me make sure. And I think this is supposed to be all-purpose adhesives, meaning it's for everything. So I'm gonna have a couple of fashion DIYs coming up soon, so we're gonna have to get into that. But you're gonna need this. Yeah, excuse how mine look. You're gonna need one of these. Yeah, that's my buddy right there. And I ordered another one. So that. And y'all, you're going to need 170, and I'm gonna tell you where to get these at. You're gonna need crystalsAB rhinestones. Now the type of rhinestones I've been using is none other the 1,728 piece nail rhinestones. Yes, the projects I've been using is from this. And you can find these on Amazon for ranging from about $5. From $5, the expensive is about $9. So yeah, that is this. So let me get started with, I'm going to do the pumpkins last. My little pretty mirror and stuff. And if I have to go and clean it up a little, but I just think it is gorgeous. Now I found this mirror. Ooh, sorry y'all, excuse me. Something popped off. But I got this. This is what it's looking like. Y'all see that? Well, come in on the, see the little crystals? I have them in clusters, and then I have them individually on here and stuff. You might can't see it, but there you go. This is what it's looking like and thing. And let me just tell you, the piece you can find at every item I'm going to show you comes from the dollar store. Found this piece. I had the other two just didn't turn out too well, so I might go back and see if I see these and stuff. And then if I'm gonna have to try to find a cover for my mirror and stuff. And so yeah, I actually like it how it turned out. and stuff. And I just it's just something I just feel like, oh, this will be like. And so if I can go back and get two more and do it just like this, I think I'll be set. I'll be set in everything. But yeah, that's that. Now my pumpkins are, I did them as a set. I have three white with silver on top with the diamonds, nail rhinestone diamonds on it, and then I also have it in the silver with the so let me show you what it looks like. So here is the white. Might be washing out a little bit, but this is the white with the silver on top. And look at those rhinestones, if you can see it. It's like blinging like heck right now because of the light. But yeah, and I think it turned out pretty well. It took me about a couple of coats to get this like this, but yeah, that's the white one. And this is the silver with the white top. Now, this is the silver with the white top. Oh, excuse me, y'all. And everything. Once that, before I actually started it, I made sure that I glazed the whole thing, and it turned out great. Now, these was originally also at Dollar Tree, and these are the pumpkins with the gold tip. So what I did to get them like that, first thing I did was it was one other thing I'm trying, let me think. You're gonna need sandpaper. And the reason is you have to sand that glaziness, because it was glazy with the orange. It was very glazy, so I scraped that off. Once I scraped that off, I gave it a wash. Alright. Now, you can use any type of shampoo. Oh, excuse me. Well, any type of, it could be a hot wash, or it could be a cold wash or a warm wash. That's one thing I can need to say. When it comes to paint, you need white or silver or whatever your preference is. That's one. But if you're going to get the white and silver, I will say get the Castolian 2XX paint, because it actually holds better to me. And let it stay out there all day. If you work on it like doing like at 12, let it stay out there until about 7 or 8 o'clock. That's my one advice. My second advice is that's my one advice. My second advice, make sure it's completely dry. I had to start this process over twice to wash all the paint off, because I wanted to get on with the project. But make sure it's dry. Dry and air. I do recommend the Castolian 3X spray paint, or any brand spray paint of your choice. Now, make sure you have a bonding glue for everything. And I recently brought some bonding glue, and I'm going to be doing, stay tuned for that, because I will be having a review on it and thing. And yeah, I'm liking how it's turning out. Yes. And thing, I'm kind of adding some artwork in my room. I got an art piece in here I have to revamp. So, y'all, let me hear from y'all. What is your, and I say your favorite DIY you have ever seen here on the tube? Okay, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.